Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to see liked videos in YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to see your liked videos on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube app, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a U button available for us at the bottom right, just beside the subscription. Tap on the U button at the bottom right corner. And on this interface again, we'll be required to tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the gear icon or the settings icon at the top right, and when this appears, you can see the manage all history option available for us just below the watch on TV. Tap on manage all history and let's let this load. And over here, guys, you can see here it is the history. Currently we are on history and the controls, and after that there is the interactions. Tap on the interaction sections over here, and you can see, guys, here it says the video interactions, and there is the video likes and dislikes. Tap on video likes and dislikes, and you can see, guys, you will be able to view all of the liked videos on your YouTube account over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to see your liked videos on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.